channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from OMGHerHair. So today I'm working with their brown highlights face framing 12x6 glueless wig. It's a pre-everything wig, so it comes with the lace pre-cut, it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached as well. So this is their new cap construction and it has a lot of new innovations. So I'm just gonna go through everything with you so you guys can see what's new with their cap construction. This new cap construction is designed for you to achieve 100% glueless wig install. So you know how sometimes you might be able to get a glueless wig install but the sideburns are still lifting, or maybe you get a glueless install but the wig itself doesn't actually cover your sideburns. So this new wig cap apparently covers all of that. So like I said, this is the 12x6 cap construction. So as you guys can see, the lace literally goes all the way from side to side and it's 6 inches going down this way, so you still have good amount parting space. It also comes with some removable combs. The combs are velcro, so you can literally just, you know, take it off and stick it back on. Also it comes with the M shape around the ears for the cap to sit comfortably around your ears, and then it also comes with an adjustable hook at the back of the wig. So literally this is a one wig, 3 sizes. It fits every head, so you can see right here you can literally adjust this to fit your head. If you have a very small head, you can obviously use the last one. Medium size, you can use the middle. If your cap size is large, you can just adjust it onto the last hook right here, and then it has this velcro where you just literally stick it together and you're good to go. Okay, so for me, I'm going to use this hook right here like so, and then just use the velcro. Yeah, this is what the new cap construction looks like. You can see it's a 12x6 and it comes with the adjustable hooks at the back of the wig cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. So of course the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and apply some makeup on the cap, which I've already done. The wig also comes with an adjustable elastic band as well, by the way. So okay, so I've got the wig on now. This is what it looks like, and I think I get the concept. I see the concept and it does make sense, guys. You guys can see the sides definitely come down a lot more. So if you have a low hairline, this would be so perfect for you because it literally covers, you know, the sides. Yeah, let's try and get this together so it looks good. I am gonna cut some of the lace down here a bit just because I feel like this is too low for me. It literally touches my brows and we all know that's not realistic. I mean, it is for some people, but this is not realistic for my head shape and my hairline. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit here. You can see that's literally touching my brows. But this fits very snug on my head, you guys, and I've used no glue, no hairspray. This is 100% glueless for real. This is what you call a wear and go wig. So yeah, let's keep going and see what the end, I'm actually quite excited for what the end results will be. So I'm just going to use some of my bedhead spray and just spray that into the cap. I'm going to grab a brush and I'm just going to use this to literally basically sculpt the hairline. I think instead of the sides just going straight, I think it should be a bit more curved, you know? Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off my melt band. And let's see what we have here. So yeah you guys, this is what the hairline looks like, and this looks so good, so good. Honestly, I'm telling you, if you have a low hairline, definitely consider getting this wig. And this is 100% glueless guys. I've not used any hair glue, any gel. I literally only used my bedhead spray to like try and mold and sculpt the hairline again. So yeah you guys, this is the finished look, and I really do like this new concept. I love the new hairline. I think it definitely makes sense if you have a low hairline and you want to achieve a glueless install, then this wig is definitely for you. So like I said, this wig is from OMGHerHair, and this is their brown highlights face framing wig. It's a 12x6 glueless HD wig. The wig comes pre-cut, it comes pre-plucked, and it comes pre-bleached as well. So this wig comes ready for you to install straight out of the box. You don't need to do anything to this wig. You can literally install the wig straight out of the box, and I just love how easy it is to work with this wig. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. So yeah, this is their 20-inch wig, and it's a 200 density wig. I really like the highlights, and I think this is a perfect wear and go wig. Literally you can just pop this wig on and you're good to go. Literally took me about 10 to 15 minutes to install this wig, and the hair itself feels extremely soft. It feels really silky. You can tell this is some good quality hair. Obviously you can tell they've bleached the hair to achieve the highlights, but the hair does not feel dry whatsoever. Like I didn't even have to use any hair serum on the hair, so I'm just really impressed with this wig. So yeah you guys, let me know what you think of this new hairline in the comment section below. I really like it. I love the concept. I think it does make sense. I really like the new cap construction, and it's just so comfortable as well. Like you guys, this wig fits so comfortable on my ear, and it fits very snug as well, and it is not glued down. This is a glueless wig. So yeah you guys, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna take off this wig on camera just so you guys can see that it's 100% glueless. Like I said, I've not used any glue, any gel. I just used my bedhead spray just to sculpt the hairline a bit more, and I used my melt band, and here we are. So I'm gonna take off the wig now so you guys can see. 100% glueless, like I said. Pop it back on, and yeah, like you can literally take it off, put it back on. Bob's your uncle, literally. So let's take off the wig. Here you go guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.